Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping components and creating a simple wiring plan. Confirm you have the lantern shell, LED string, and power source. Strip 1/4 inch of insulation from leads. Test polarity using a 3V cell or multimeter so you avoid reversing LEDs. Once done, map mounting points around the lantern at 3 to 4 inch intervals. This keeps spacing even. Make sure to choose a battery pack or 5V adapter, positioned near the seam for easy access and ventilation. Next, mount the LEDs to the lantern frame using hot glue or micro clips. Avoid gluing over the diode face so light remains bright. When joining wires, solder for reliability or use insulated crimp connectors. Reinforce each joint with heat shrink tubing. Keep the positive and negative wires consistent. If you swap them, you'll reverse the strip. Route all wiring neatly to the battery box, securing with tape or zip ties every 6 to 8 inches, and leave a small service loop to reduce stress on connections. Finally, connect the battery or 5V adapter and power up while watching for flicker or dim areas. These signs point to poor contacts or voltage drop. If you see dead segments, first verify polarity and continuity with a multimeter, then inspect solder joints and reflow or recrimp as needed. You can bypass damaged runs by adding parallel jumpers or replacing small LED sections. Make sure to insulate exposed connections and add silicone or tape for outdoor lanterns. This prevents shorts and keeps the display reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.